Okay, in this video, we're going to discuss seasonality and high traffic shopping days. Did you know that for most Amazon sellers, the best ACOS you'll see all year round is on Cyber Monday? Well, on days like Prime Day, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Q4, you need to make sure that you are, of course, maximizing your opportunity for sales. Amazon typically sees traffic go through the roof on days like this, so you want to make sure that your campaigns have the best opportunity to perform well on these days. So what we recommend is taking a look at doing some manual adjustments to your smart campaigns on these days. Because your smart campaigns take a lot of time and data to optimize around normal selling times, when it comes to these high traffic selling times, you do want to make a few adjustments. The first area that you want to adjust is in the area of bidding. You need to make sure that your bids are at a level where you're going to continue to win the auction, continue to get the placements you were getting before that you'd optimized around. And so we recommend increasing your bids by around 25%. Then the other area we recommend adjusting in these big traffic times is your budgets. So you're going to be looking at around a 400% increase as an average. Of course, these are metrics that as you go through more and more of these high traffic days, you're going to begin to learn what kind of adjustments you should make based on the variables in your account, such as conversion rate at these times, the seasonality of these products, the pricing, the many different variables that are unique to your product. But these are some metrics that we suggest you give a try at the start in order to maximize your opportunity on those days if you're using smart campaigns. Just be sure that when you finish these days, when the days are over, that you do revert the bids and the budgets back to what they were so that your Sellics smart campaigns can continue optimizing as it was. We hope that these Sellics smart campaigns bring you great results on these high traffic days. In the next video tutorial, we'll be looking at how to speed up the learning process of your smart campaigns.